So I'm on the final stages. Finished the checkerboard paint, all the painting's essentially done. I'm putting on the exhaust stacks at the moment, and the method in which I'm doing that is he says to glue them down. What I did was I put them all on, and they're meant to kind of touch one another, but I did notice on the other side, which is already complete, is that they won't line up perfectly, so if they're touching every one of them. So what I did was I turned them to touch one another to a certain extent. Then I laid this board across here and made sure they were kind of all in line. And then one by one, starting on the inside, or the aft side, I guess, I removed it, put glue on it, and screwed it in, and then double checked that it lined up with all the others. And I'm doing those working all the way towards the front of the airplane. And that seemed to work really well on the other airplane, because some of them won't completely touch one another. There was some gaps. And I'm also, one other note, I'm using longer screws than what he had said. I'm using the number 50s